Hi there. I want to talk to you today about the number one reason people bomb the bar exam is that they didn't use their study time efficiently. You see, there's a certain science to how the brain acquires knowledge, and if you're not studying in the right pattern, then you could be forgetting up to 90% of what you learn in every study session. I'm Andrew Cohen with Brainscape. Our learning scientists and law partners have created a technique for you to use in conjunction with your bar course that will optimize your retention of bar exam concepts using a combination of active recall and spaced repetition. Basically, we take all that same info that you're studying in those great bar exam courses and prep books, but instead of just going through the motions and checking the boxes of one activity at a time, where you'll forget most of the concepts by next week, we break that mountain of knowledge into bite-sized web and mobile flashcards. Digital flashcards are so much better than just rereading your notes or taking multiple choice quizzes because you actually have to think of the answer from scratch. You have to assess how well did I actually know that, which determines how frequently you'll see that card again. But you will continue repeating the flashcards with the right space repetition algorithm that prioritizes your weaknesses and adapts to your actual pace of learning until you've mastered the entire body of knowledge for the whole bar exam. Now, you may have seen a lot of bar apps out there that make similar claims, but I'm going to give you 3 big reasons why the Brainscape method is the most efficient. Number 1, the best content. Our MBE product alone has over 2,500 flashcards that are condensed from all the top courses materials. They've been vetted by the top students and professors who've submitted hundreds of suggestions, and we've become sure that these are the clearest topics that are most likely to appear on the bar exam. Number 2, the most flexible study app. Not only can you create the personalized study mix of all the topics that you need to attack, but you can also add your own flashcards for all those tough lecture concepts and all the questions that you miss on your practice exams, and then study those flashcards on any device. And number 3, the best audio accompaniments. Unlike boring lectures that are easy to tune out, our hands-free studying YouTube and podcast playlists will actually read you the questions and answers so you have time to pause and think about that time. So you're better optimizing the mental faculties that you use when you're otherwise cooking or exercising or commuting or unable to use the actual Brainscape app. At the end of the day, whatever tools you're using, I'm confident that you're going to nail this because just by watching this video, you've shown that you care about studying more efficiently for the bar exam. So let's buckle up, stay confident, and optimize your studies so that you can effectively rise to your challenge.